Let me ask you one question. How many pages of CV or resume you have right now? I remember I used to have 7 pages of CV. I still have that copy with me. After 2 years of experience in my first organization, when I prepared my first resume, I prepared around 7 pages. For 2 years, I have worked more than 4 projects. And for each project, I used to put all the details like project description, my roles and responsibilities over there. That to be a kind of essay writing. Now remember, 7 pages of CV, who has time to read it? No recruiters or no employers having that time to read it. What they read actually, what is their first thing which is important. Later when I started building my resume skills, means how to write resumes effectively, what are the primary skills while we write resumes, I have learned so many things and it has helped me a lot. One of the best term I got to know is shorter is better. Whatever you write short but be precise. That's what I got to know. Now remember, when you work for 10 years or 12 years or 13 years, remember for these many years, there are so many things you have worked, for so many projects you have worked. I have seen resumes of 7 pages, 8 pages, 9 pages as well. Now, when I have seen such resumes, I think means it's better to look your resume building skills. It is not needed this long CVs. Remember, whenever you are writing so long resumes, no one is going to read it fully. They will just try to see the first page. So shorter is better. That means prepare resume just 1 page or maybe 2 page, maximum 2 page. I think 2 pages are sufficient and it's enough to write about our skills, roles and responsibility, work summary. And this is what I follow now. So writing short but to be specific to the job. Job description is important. I have already told that we should write our resumes as per the job description and how important it is. I have created another video for that. The link for that you can find it here. Now, when you say that shorter is better, 2 pages is short is enough, just write specific to the job description and what to write, your primary skills, what the job is expecting, what are the primary skills, put it that way, your work summary, what are the main things you have worked, your roles and responsibility, or it's a profile summary, that is also important. Try to do that. And your education, it should be very short. No need to put all the marks, all the grades which we have achieved in your academics. It's not it just, if you just completed your graduation, put that graduation in the last. That's what all is needed. Other certifications you have completed, put that certification as well. So 2 pages of CV is important and that is sufficient. We can do that. Another important aspect is putting your social media profiles as well. Particularly LinkedIn profile is important because people check your LinkedIn profile when they try to notice your profiles. So try to put your LinkedIn profile, build some credibility over there as well. Just try to build your identity brand over there as well. Just try to contribute on social media platforms as well there, so that it will be noticeable by others. That's why shorter is better. Remember this term and create just 2 pages of CV. Now I have whatever skills I have learned over the years for the resume building, I have helped many people to review their resumes. And if you feel that you wanted to review your resumes as well, just feel free to comment it out, your email ID, and reach out to me. I will review your resumes for free because whatever I learn, I wanted to share with others. That's what I wanted to do. The other point I wanted to mention about is formatting is important. Whatever points, whatever things you are writing in your resume, means there should be proper alignment. The bullet point should be properly. there should be no bold and bold. What are the points should be bold, what should not be bold? That is important, because the first impression is your resume. If it looks messy, if it is not properly formatted, then it takes just a bad impression on your at first place. So just try to avoid it and just prepare your resume smartly. That's what I wanted to convey in this video. If you have any questions, comments, do let me know. If you like my video, then please like it and share it with others as well, so that they will benefit from this.